This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video explaining kind of the best size of images for your collection images that you should use on your Shopify store. Now, Shopify does recommend that the sweet spot when it comes to images is around 2048 by 2048 pixels, but you can actually upload pictures up to 4472 by 4472 pixels as long as it's under 20 megabytes. So the reason why you would want to add an image that has a larger, that's bigger, that has a higher resolution is because you want to be able to let the image scale properly, especially on bigger devices. The recommendation is that the image should be 2 times the size that you actually need it to be, so it can actually be displayed correctly when it comes to screen sizes that are much larger, as well as for retina displays. So the higher the resolution, the more professional the image is going to look, as well as it gives it a greater amount of zoom capabilities. So 2048 pixels is kind of the sweet spot when it comes to collection images in Shopify. Now, you might have to, it kind of depends on your aspect ratio, whether your image is in portrait versus landscape mode. When it comes to your collection image, you might have to kind of finagle a little bit when it comes to that. You don't want it to look cut off or anything, and that a lot of that times that can happen when you're using portrait photos over landscape. So I recommend using landscape over portrait, at least when it comes to the collection images, and we're referring to the featured collection images. Obviously product image is a little different, and you can actually even install and integrate a plugin that allows you to crop and resize your product images so they're all kind of the same size. That is super helpful for your Shopify. I highly recommend getting one of those integrated into your Shopify. If you're kind of uploading kind of images that are a lot of different resolutions and different sizes. So when it comes to collection images, stick to around 2048 pixels. Make sure that it's under 20 megabytes for the upload, and you should be okay when it comes to adding those images to your Shopify and then looking nice, crisp, clean, and not being cut off or obscured at all with the rest of your content. Okay, hope that helps you guys, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.